guys, it's Parker. We're back here at Parker Performance Garage, and today we have two Ecoboosts here. We've got, actually they're both white, which is funny. We've got an 18 Ecoboost here on my left, and then on my right we've got a 15 to 17 Ecoboost. What I want to show you today is the difference between the 18 install and the 15 to 17 install on the UPR products dual valve catch can. This is the same dual valve catch can that we've worked with and used ever since the inception of the Ecoboost platform. It's the same one that we offer at our website on ecoboostbillet.com. Come on in, Alex, and we'll show you. The difference here, and the thing to take note of, is this AC line right here. On the 15 to 17, this AC line is actually mounted much closer and routed right here along this strut tower, which allows the canister from UPR to be out here where the line is currently. So for the 18 install, you have to just make some edits here to your adjustments. UPR does have provisions in the top of the can for you to make the set screws edit the adjustment here. You are going to angle this forward so that you can have the canister run closer to the strut tower here. Everything else is the same. You still have your upper hose that's going to come out and go around to the back. You still have your back hose that's going to come out and go to the turbocharger inlet. You still have your front hose that's going to go around into the front of the intake manifold. All of that routing is still the same. All of the fittings are still the same. Lines are still the same. Just the actual orientation of the canister itself. And of course, you do want your ground strap above the canister armature. Otherwise, you'll have issues with your grounding. But here, take a look, Alex, at this 15 to 17 install that we've done previously. You can see this is actually just a swap, right? The AC line on the 18 is here, the canister on the 18 is here. So this is the standard install on the 15 to 17, as opposed to on the 18 where you just have to make the edits to the armature here and move it forward. We just wanted to bring that information to you guys because as DIYers, the guys that follow our channel, we know that you're doing installs on the evenings and on the weekends. Maybe you don't have access to getting on, the phone with somebody that, that late, or you don't have anybody that can help you with that. This is real life world installs here that we've done at Parker Performance, and we're bringing it to you to help you save time on your install.